Hey everyone, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. Santa brought a couple of gifts that I'm very excited about, and I thought I'd do a quick new arrivals video just to showcase some of the new gear that will come in handy for future projects. First up is a GoPro, and I'm super excited about that. Mainly because it will allow me to record videos like this from atop nicer than I'm currently doing, and it gives me just a second camera. Let's take a look. How does it work? Does it matter? Ooh, satisfying. That is a good screen. That's another really nice feature. It will allow me to see what I'm recording while I'm recording. With the current camera, that's not the case. It's just my phone. Do we have? Alright, the GoPro is set up. I need to get used to the controls a little, but I can already see that it has a super wide angle. Obviously, that's one of the reasons you get a GoPro. And now it's going to charge a little and can use it in a second. Just to help me mount the GoPro to the table here for some shots from this angle. Getting this little tool here. That's it. Looks chunky. Alright, right off the bat, it looks like we can mount that they're kind of identical. So this mounts here. It could also mount here. So that's pretty neat. And let's go to the star of the show. A thermal camera. Something I was thinking about for quite some time. And the reason why I wanted to get that is because it allows you to look at PCBs and see how they behave from a thermal point of view. I often build PCBs that have a lot of current going on and a lot of wattage going on. So it is really nice to know where thermal issues might be, whether a trace is too thin or whether an IC gets much hotter than I thought. Alright, cool. So that's what we're looking for. It comes with two cameras, the thermal camera and an optical camera, and it uses some tech to align these two to basically give your image a little bit more detail, even though from a thermal perspective there's not much detail. The board I have here is a new project of mine, and it has a bunch of LEDs on the backside that, with the help of the board, I can remote control. I start by just turning on the board, and right off the bat we can see that on the top left, the ESP32 turns on and gets a little warm, but it looks like it's getting around 30 degrees, so that's not a problem at all. It's nice, normal temperature. Next, I turn on the lights on the back, but just on like 20% or something. And what we see here is that a new hotspot emerges, and it's right next to the USB-C port. And that's something I did not consider, and it's awesome that I find it now. It's basically a diode to prevent any current flowing from the battery into or be exposed on the USB-C contacts. And once I turn on the lights to 100%, you can see that the diode goes up to something like 70 and maybe even more degrees. Something I'm not quite sure whether that's a good temperature, and I might, for a new version of the board, go with a different diode, or not even a diode, but a MOSFET. All right, that's it for this new arrivals video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. See you next time and take care.